The 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.